So not going to see a movie, or not going out to a friend's birthday, or not going on a trip, or not getting my nails done or getting waxes didn't kill me. Did I die? No. Hi y'all, thank you for joining in another Millennial in Debt financial conversation. Today we're talking about 5 mistakes that people commonly make when they're paying off their debt. I no longer have student loans, praise God. I paid off about $100,000 in student loans in like almost 6 years. I just made my final payment in December of 2018. I don't even know what year we're in. But I'm still in debt. I am still with y'all because I just bought a home. And if you didn't know that, you can click this video right here where I talk you through some of the things I wish I had learned or wish I knew before buying a home. But that's not why we're here today. Today, we're here to talk about those mistakes to help you avoid them, to help you stop doing them, and to get you back on track. So the first mistake that people make when they are paying off their student loans or paying off any debt is paying the minimum or sticking to the minimum. So you get your payment in the mail or the internet, whatever, however you get your monthly statement, and you see, okay, I only have to pay $50 a month. Great, cool, boom. You're going to be paying that loan for 45 million years if you stick to the minimum payment. Another issue with sticking to the minimum payment is you are really not even touching the principal at all. You're just working on the interest, especially if you have compound interest like in a student loan or a credit card, right? So you want to try to pay more than the minimum payment. Or what you can do is you can make an extra payment. So yes, you pay your $50 minimum, but then in your next check in 2 weeks, you pay another $50. And that $50 will go directly to the principal. Okay. All right. Now, the second mistake that's commonly made is not using some type of snowball method. Like I mentioned, I didn't use a snowball method, but I did something similar-ish, where you might pay off a loan or a debt and you have other debts, but instead of using that extra money to attack your other debts, you use it to go out to eat, you use it to get your nails done, use it to go to the movies, and there's nothing wrong with indulging and treating yourself because trust me, I have a pair of $500 glasses because I want to treat myself. So there's nothing wrong with that. However, you want to stay true to the course and focus on beating down that debt until it's dead. Okay. The third thing that commonly people usually don't do correct or well or forget to do is make an appropriate budget. Now, if you make an appropriate budget, it can be far easier to use and to follow than if you make a really strict budget because you think that's what you should be doing. An appropriate budget is going to include things that you don't expect, right? So if you have a car, you should be sending some money towards like a savings for your car, right? Because you never know, and I'm actually worried about my car now. You never know when you're going to need to do some type of car repair. The fourth common mistake that people make when they're paying their debts or tackling their debts is they create new debts. We've all done it, right? You charge to your card, you charge to your card, you charge to your card, but you know you have other credit card debts that you're trying to pay down. That's a no-no, right? When you're tackling down debt or when you're really focused on paying off your debts, you do not want to add new debts, right? So that means going without for a while. That means not struggling, but saying no to certain things that you know you can live without. And the last and final, and might be the most important common mistake that people make when they're paying back their debts, is not cutting lifestyle expenses. Now again, I am not telling you to stay home and be a hermit. I'm not telling you that you can't go out with your friends, that you can't get your nails done, that you can't get your wax done. But there are things that you are going to have to tell yourself no to. There are things where you're going to have to cut. So not going to see a movie or not going out to a friend's birthday or not going on a trip or not getting my nails done or getting waxes didn't kill me. Did I die? No, I didn't. And I paid off my debt because I had a mission in mind. And I'm not saying if you don't want to cut things out that you're not a good person, you're never going to pay your debt. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you need to make a list of where all your expenses are and see some things that you can cut off. You don't need cable. You don't need cable. Cut your cable. Maybe get a manicure once a month instead of every 2 weeks, or instead of every week, or however much you go, right? Instead of going to the movies every month, maybe go every other month, or wait till it comes out on Redbox, or let's say Blockbuster. Whoa, that was old of me. Yeah, so cut out lifestyle expenses doesn't mean cut them off completely. It just means take out the ones that you can survive without, right? If your friend is turning 27, you can miss this birthday. It ain't a 30th birthday. It ain't a big one. It ain't 25, right? You could skip 26 through 29, okay? So cut those lifestyle expenses and you will see your debt drop far quicker than if you really was trying to be all up in the mix, just like a millennial. I know it's hard, y'all. And that is it. There you have it. The 5 common mistakes that people make when paying their debt. Hopefully this video was helpful for you and it's not too long, because I know I am a rambler. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.